Test drive the 2017 Transit 150. The Transit 150 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, automatic transmission, power steering, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, tachometer, power mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.